Welcome to Wander.io. Wander.io is your personalized intelligent itinerary generator. Wander allows a user to input the destination and duration of their next travels and will generate an itinerary for this trip. Let's say we want to go to Toronto. We can simply input the destination and the duration of our travel and submit this information to the site. Wander will then prompt the user with a personalization survey. The point of this survey is for Wander to gather a little bit of background information on the user and how they like to travel. Let's start the survey. We can input when we want to start our day during the trip. Let's go with 11 because we don't want to wake up that early. And we're night owls, so we'll stay out till 9 p.m. We want a relatively relaxed day, so we'll only visit 2 attractions in the day. And since we're only waking up at 11, we don't need breakfast. Wander utilizes all this information about the user, the destination, and the duration to generate a perfect itinerary for the user. Here, we have the user's itinerary for their trip in Toronto. As you can see, we have a map showing us all the locations we have to visit. The locations are clearly clustered by day. That way, we don't have to go all over the place when we want to travel. On the right, we can see our itinerary. Wander also has the ability to select a hotel for the user. As you can see, Wander takes into account the travel times between locations. That way, the user doesn't have to have unrealistic expectations of how long they have to spend at attractions. Wander automatically scales the attraction and restaurant times to fit the user's day. If attractions are further apart, travel times will increase, and attraction times will decrease. We can zoom in on the map and look at specific days and the attractions at each location. Additionally, if we want a more detailed view of the activity, we can use Google Street View to actually view the attraction. Oops, that was not a good view. That's much better. Here we can clearly see the CN Tower and the Rogers Center that we were supposed to visit. Wander.io, a smarter way to plan your next travel.